everybody, Mandy Hofford, Norwex Independent Sales Consultant in my bathroom because we are going to talk bathroom cleaning today. I have out my favorite tools for doing that from Norwex, and that is the EnviroCloth and the window cloth, because in my bathroom you can see here behind me, and then you can't see in front of me, and on the side there are lots of mirrors, and there's a window right there. So I am always liking to keep them as clean as possible with the EnviroCloth and the window cloth, following with the dry window cloth, the water and the EnviroCloth. Also have a granite countertop, and it always looks best when it is wiped down with the EnviroCloth. And as long as the EnviroCloth isn't overly wet, if it's nicely wrung out, it is just great to just use that. But of course, it can be shined up, polished with the purple polishing cloth, the window cloth. So these actually will clean all of the things in this bathroom from top to bottom. It actually can be cleaned with just water and the EnviroCloth and window cloth. However, and that includes the toilet. However, there are some other tools that help make it a little more pleasant, shall we say. So one of those things is the bathroom scrub mitt. You can see this one's a pretty old one. It hangs in our shower, and it gets thrown down on the shower floor to use this nylon scrubby side to put our feet on and rub off the gunk that accumulates on the shower floor occasionally. Also, it goes on the hand and wipes down all of the walls of the shower when we're in there. So I use this also around the base of the shower, and I can also, sometimes I grab it and use it on the toilet. So it's a nice handy tool for wiping down all things bathroom, or pairing up with the EnviroCloth window cloth and using that in the shower. So then the toilet is the next thing that I think that we all want to talk about. Well, we want to maybe ignore it, but let's talk about it because we got to clean it. I use the Sanera toilet brush system, and I like this one. There are two options. I like this one because inside of the base is the sugar-based enzyme cleaner, and so I can press down on this. You gotta snip the inside. You gotta snip this off so that it will release the cleaner, but it will come out of these holes in the top of the brush, and I can get my toilet clean. Really, usually I do it right before I go to bed. You know, it's 11:30 at night. I notice that it needs to be done, and so I just grab this because I leave it sitting off to the side. It stays white and nice. This has been around for 6.5 years, so you can see it is still white, and occasionally some hairs get in it and stuff, and so then I just use a tweezers or something to get any of those out occasionally. But it looks great just sitting beside the toilet. So I grab it, press down on the handle. The solution comes out of the top of the handle there, and I can get the toilet clean in like 30 seconds or less. So love that. Works great. It depends also maybe a little bit on your the shape of your toilet. There are differences in toilets, European and North American, and newer and older and that kind of stuff. So if you find that it's missing some of the spots, maybe down deep, like this one in here does, I just use this every once in a while, and it is the Norwex bottle brush with the scrubby nylon side and the EnviroCloth. So this is the Enviro sleeve that goes over the top of the bottle brush. It is a bathroom specific one. I have one in the kitchen, one in the bathroom. Don't fear. If you're at my house, this is not the bathroom one. If you're in the kitchen, there are 2 of them. So, but this one is great for the occasional getting down deep into the toilet where the larger brush doesn't reach. Also, sometimes I just use my EnviroCloth in my hand. Hands wash up easily, and so I don't worry about that too much. If that's too gross for you, use the bottle brush. It rocks. So I do maintain with this little guy. I love having this very close and doing a real quick wipe down of the toilet when it needs it. You know, it gets frequently used, and it's the nature of that part of the house to just need to be cleaned up. So I just get this little yellow EnviroCloth wet, and it is my quick wipe up of the toilet. It's really a great little cloth to grab. And if you're wondering, where do all these things sit? My cloths hang underneath my sinks because I have those little great command strip hooks that keep my tools right close at hand, but also out of the way. So underneath my kitchen sink and underneath my bathroom sinks, there are command strip hooks so that, like I said, they're handy, but also out of the way. This is the second toilet brush option, and you can see that it is, it has a little, a little part here that will get underneath the rim. It hangs so that it is not, so it's able to dry. It's not sitting in any filth. It's hanging completely, hanging so it can dry completely. And this is a thermoplastic rubber, and it actually has some antibacterial qualities to that. So it's gonna actually self-sanitize and stay nice and clean. So that paired with a bathroom cleaner, just a couple of drops of bathroom cleaner on that toilet brush is a really great way to keep toilets clean as well. So the bathroom cleaner is for when you have soap scum buildup and hard water buildup. You really, like I said, just need these 2 to do your daily cleaning or your weekly cleaning. But when there starts to be some buildup, you can use the bathroom cleaner, and you can do it straight on the toilet brush, or you can, and you can also have it diluted, Norwex bathroom cleaner, put it in a spray bottle 1 to 7, and then you can use it in the toilet and around the toilet, whatever, in the shower if you want to use that to get your buildups off. So I also recommend highly the descaler and the Spironette for big jobs. This is for when you've got a lot of soap scum, you've got a lot of scale buildup. These are absolutely amazing, either in the shower, in the toilet, whatever you've got. These are fantastic. Now, if you have a toilet bowl that has the porcelain already ruined from previous cleaning jobs, maybe somebody's used a pumice stone on it and it has been actually compromised, then this might leave behind some gray marks. It won't if it's intact. I have a brand new toilet downstairs. I have an old toilet upstairs that has this problem I'm talking about. And then this toilet in here is fine. I can use it on. So depending on your toilet bowl, the descaler and the Spironette can be a real great help. If it does turn gray, I have successfully used myself. I highly recommend then just using the cleaning paste and an EnviroCloth, and that will come clean. So trust me, I went through feeling like, oh my gosh, now I made it worse, but it's not. So, but I do use the Norwex Footstone, which is wonderful, like pumice on that toilet in that bathroom, because it's already ruined and it's really the only thing that I can get to clean it and maintain that clean toilet in there, because it does get that ring around it because of previous pumice stone ruining. So it wasn't my house to start with. So anyway, I hope that helps. I would love to answer any questions below. Let me know if that's helpful to you, or if I didn't cover something, if you still have a question about something, I'd love to see if I can help. Thanks so much for watching.